Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload shorts. Let's launch the app. You're gonna want to click on the plus button on the lower end. Now we're in the shorts menu. The most important thing that you want to focus first is that below level and line of the settings allow you to pick from videos to shorts to live to post. So you want to make sure first of all that you're on short as the setting setup. Then you want to go all the way up to the top right corner where you can actually select the length of your short, 15 seconds or 16 seconds, right? Then you're going to click on the left side and you're going to pick exactly which video you would like to add. While we're waiting for the shorts to process within the YouTube app, you have plenty of options. You can actually add a timer. On the flip side, you can add the speed on the actual footage. Then you can actually add different effects. You can add a street view, especially if you're considering an outdoor image or video. And then you can also include different metrics as a sound from the top right corner. You can select different sounds provided from YouTube. Then you go back. And then when you're ready, all you gotta do is to press the check mark on the lower right corner. As you can see, last options prior we actually optimized for search engine optimization. You have to add additional sounds if you're interested to do so, more text, voiceover, more filters, and of course you can put Q&A. After you're ready with this one, the last step of course will be search engine optimization, the titles, and what is remaining and the surface. Subscribe and follow for more.